Jai Hind everyone. My name is Preeti Rajavat. Today in this video, I am going to explain class 8 computer chapter 2nd introduction to Rdbms means MySQL. So let's begin today's class. Today's topics are understanding database and structure of a database, DBMS, introduction to RDMS and types of keys. So start one by one. Let's first understand what is a database. A database is a collection of organized data stored electronically in a computer system. A database helps you to store and retrieve data easily. However, as the size of database grows, it becomes difficult to manage it manually. Hence, you need tools to manage the database. These tools are known as database management system or DBMS. In other words, a database is a collection of organized data. Imagine your school record where students' names, classes, roll numbers, and marks are stored. That is a kind of database, and we store this information in a computer so that it is easy to search, easy to update, easy to organize. But as the amount of data increases, it becomes hard to manage manually. So we use special software to manage it, that is called DBMS, which we will learn next. Now another example. Uh, think of a teacher writing marks in a register. If marks of all students from all classes are written in one register, it becomes difficult to find any student's marks quickly. If we store it in a computer in a organized way, we can find it in seconds. So that's the use of database. um, Now second topic is structure of database. A database is not just a file. It is made in a proper structure. So let's learn the main parts of this structure: tables, columns, rows, primary key, foreign key. Understand one by one. Tables. Data is stored in tables. Tables are just like an Excel sheet, and columns like fields. Each table has columns, and each column stores one types of information. Example: name, roll number, section. This is a column. And rows means records. Each row store the data of one person or one thing. And now come to primary key. Primary key is a special column that uniquely identifies each row. Like your admission number or your roll number is a primary key. And foreign key is a column that links one table to another. Means foreign key is used to create a relationship between two tables. um, and we understand this topic is suppose in a table of students, columns can be roll number, name, class. Okay, and each row will be one student's data, and roll number can be used as a primary key. Understood? And next topic is a DBMS, database management system. Database management system is a software that enables creation, organization, and management of database. It provides a set of tools and functions for defining, structuring, manipulating, and querying the data stored in a structured way. DBMS helps organizations store, retrieve, update, and manage vast amount of data efficiently and effectively in a secured way. So DBMS provide mechanisms for controlling access to data, ensuring that only authorized users can view or modify sensitive information like ATMs, flight reservation system, library catalogs, etc. use DBMS to complete the task. Let's understand in simple words. DBMS is a software that helps create databases, manage and organize the data like search, update, delete the data and keep data safe and secure. Means it allows only the right people to access data. For example, where DBMS is used, uh, ATMs. ATMs means store customer account information, and flight booking systems to manage seat bookings, and libraries to store books records, and hospitals hospital to store patient details. So DBMS is like a smart manager for your data. um, Next topic is the RDBMS. RDBMS means relational database management system. RDBMS is a in a database, data is organized in the form of separate tables. Once the tables are created and a structure is defined, a relationship can be created among the tables to connect the data, thus forming a relational database. So you can say that database in which the data is stored separately but they are linked together through the use of common column is known as relational database. Means RDBMS is a type of database, means database management system, where data is stored in a related tables. Relational means there is a relationship between tables. Here, how it works, data is stored in different tables, not all in one place. So these tables are connected using keys. Means why use relational database management system? Because it keeps data clean, connected and easy to manage. For example, you have two tables. Okay, first student table, second marks table. Student tables, field name, roll number, name, class, and marks table, roll number, subject, marks. But how to connect two table? Man thing, one key, one common key, means roll number is a common key both tables, so we can connect both using roll number. So this is called a relation, and that's why it's called a relational database management system. I hope uh, um, it was clear and simple to understand. So if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the classroom. So thank you all of you.